Good morning, dear students. Dear students, today we will be learning a new essay on Independence Day. Okay? On Independence Day essay, we will be learning today. So, what is Independence Day and when it comes? Independence Day falls on 15th of August, our Freedom Day. In 1947, on 15th August 1947, we got our freedom. We were free from the British rule. Okay? So, today's topic is Independence Day. In India, Independence Day is celebrated by the people of all religions, cultures and traditions with a great joy and happiness. So in India, Independence Day is celebrated by all religious. Okay? By all religious cultures and traditions. With the traditions, people celebrate this day because we were free from slavery of the British people. With a great joy and happiness, they celebrate this day. Independence Day in India is observed. How it is observed? On 15th of August every year from 1947, as our country became independent on the same day from the power of British rule almost after 200 years of slavery. Dear students, after 200 of years of slavery, we were free from the British rule. Okay? They were powering under the soldiers in the camp. They were suffering from the Britishers. Farmers, even they were starving. Though they were having their own land, the Britishers were taking from their all the cultivation, and still they and their children were starving. That much slavery, we were under the slavery of British rule. And after how many years we were free? After 200 years of slavery, we were free on 15th of August 1947 by our great leaders. Okay, our great leaders fought for us with the Britishers, and they were sent away from our country after 200 years, and we were free on 15th of August 1947. Okay, it was observed on 15th of August every year from 1947. Second paragraph, it has been declared as the national holiday when all schools. It was when we were free from the slavery of Britishers. It was declared as a national holiday. Okay, by our Prime Minister, it was declared as a national holiday where all the schools, whether it was a government or a private school, okay, offices, colleges, universities, educational institutions, organizations, companies, and etc. remain closed. So when it was declared as a national holiday, okay, on 15th of August was declared as a national holiday, everything will remain closed. Which all the things remain closed? Schools, whether it was a government and private, only the students were going for the flag hosting. Educational institutions, organizations, companies, etc. everything remain closed on this day. It is celebrated with a big enthusiasm in every schools, colleges and other educational institutions by the students. Yes, by the students, this day is celebrated with a lot of enthusiasm, with a great joy and happiness. Children were going to the school for the flag hosting. Actually, it's a national holiday, but for the flag hosting, children used to go to the school, especially colleges and other educational institutions by the students with a great joy and happiness. And how we were celebrating this day? Okay, how we were celebrating this day? They participate and perform in dancing, drama, singing, playing indoor games, outdoor sports, cultural activities, quiz competitions, awards distributions, etc. So on this day, what all the things were happening? Okay, in the schools and colleges and educational institutions, these are the things the children used to participate and perform in dancing, in drama, singing competition, playing indoor games, outdoor sports, cultural activities, quiz competitions, award distribution. Same thing is happening in New Delhi. In New Delhi, Red Fort, where our Prime Minister unfurls the flag. After that, he gives the patriotic speech. The award winning is going on for our soldiers, the people who have sacrificed their life for our country. Celebrations. First of all, the national flag is unfurled by the chief guest or school principal. National anthem is sung with flute and drum, and then march past and procession in the streets take place. Same thing happened in Delhi, and same thing is taking place in school, colleges and educational institutions, where the children, what do the children do? They take part in different activities, they get awards, prizes, and also either the principal or invited guest is doing the flag hosting ceremony. Okay, a big celebration event is organized by the government of India at the Rajpath, India Gate in the national capital, New Delhi. Okay, where our Prime Minister unfurls the flag, he gives India at the Rajpath, India Gate in the national capital, New Delhi, where people of all religion, culture and traditions gather to listen the patriotic speech of our Prime Minister. Okay, so they gather. You must have seen there is a live program on Doordarshan. Dear students, before people were not going to the New Delhi. Now people are specially going to see this program in New Delhi. Okay, but those who are not able to go before earlier time, old people, they used to watch this live program on Doordarshan. There was a channel on Doordarshan, now also it is running. So they used to watch a live program of flag hosting ceremony and a patriotic speech by our Prime Minister sitting at home lively on Doordarshan. By celebrating this event, we commemorate, means we remember the people who sacrificed life for our country and free from our country from the British rule. By celebrating this event, we commemorate those all great people who had sacrificed their lives and loved ones in making India an independent country. So dear students, India became independent on 15th of August 1947. Many great people have sacrificed their life to get a freedom from the British rule. And nearly 200 years we were under the British rule. So dear students, this is our second essay on Independence Day. You have to write down these essays in your notebook with a good and beautiful handwriting. Have a good day. Thank you to all.